Calibration of your Tie-Dex tools is critical to maintaining consistent clamp installation. Calibration should be performed every 500 cycles or after any impact event such as dropping the tool. Disable auto cutoff with the toggle on the back of the tool. Ensure the correct interface is installed on the calibration device. Insert a new test strip into the calibration device and insert the opposite end into the tool as far as possible. Press and hold the button to tension the band. Note the value on the calibration device. The target value is 150 plus or minus 5 for standard and 80 plus or minus 5 for micro. Adjust the tension by turning the gray knob on the air pressure regulator. Cycle the tool to equalize new pressure setting. Repeat the calibration process with a new test strip. The new reading is 79.5, which is within the plus or minus 5 of the target value of 80 for micro bands. For more information on Tie-Dex products, contact your Bandit representative or visit our website.